What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another Christmas cocktail. Is there anything more festive than the Snowball cocktail? What a perfect name cocktail it is for Christmas. And if you know the Snowball, it brings out the Advocaat, which we get out every Christmas. There's nothing more Christmassy than Warninks Advocaat. It's just just one of those drinks. It's like our equivalent of eggnog. Right, so to make the Snowball, guys, get your highball glass and fill it with ice. What we're going to do now is just pour the lime juice over the ice, so 15ml or half an ounce. What we're going to do now is add the lemonade to it, so 60ml or 2 ounces. I might add a bit more. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put in an extra 20ml to that. So it's going to take it to probably about 80ml less. There we go. So now add 80ml or 2.7 ounce of Warninks Advocaat. So what you want to do now is get your bar spoon and now give it a light stir so it mixes. And the final thing to do now, guys, is to garnish it with a cherry. And as simple as that, one Snowball cocktail. There it is, one Snowball cocktail. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen, one Snowball cocktail. How does it taste? I can't wait to try this Christmas festive cocktail. Ah, that's very nice. Absolutely beautiful. If you like Advocaat, you'll like this cocktail because it's very nice, it's very sweet, and I just like it. It's nice and refreshing as well, especially with the lemonade mixed in with the lime. Gives that a little bit of zest, that little bit of tanginess with it, but it's nice and sweet. Beautiful. But you can't beat it, Perfect Snowball. It's just one of those classics that is made for Advocaat, and it's certainly up there. I'd rate it 8 out of 10. It's a perfect festive cocktail. Absolutely beautiful. Can't go wrong with it. Simple to make, it's quick to make, and it just hits the spot. It's absolutely beautiful. But that, guys, has been the Snowball cocktail. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more cocktails like this, for more festive cocktails, more Christmas vlogs, more Christmas cocktails. But I've been MixedSid, this has been the Snowball cocktail, and I will see you guys for my next Christmas cocktail. Cheers. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere I go.